everyone. We are starting on experiment number 2.
Yeah.
It's called tin dendrite.
Whoop whoop.
Okay. First, prepare the tin chloride solution.
Okay, remember how we did that? It's just like the last time.
Yep. Add the red bottle into the green one.
It's okay.
Here, let
Well,
me-
you have to open both of them anyway.
Can't grab anything. Here we go. Put that.
Don't tip it over.
It's going in. There we go. There.
All right, now.
Put all of it.
Yep.
Yep.
Carefully, not to spill it.
Squeeze.
All right. Now put the bottle topper on there.
Now we put on the red cap.
Did you get it securely on there?
No, I can't. It's not even on there all the way.
There we go.
There. All right. Now put on the cap. Okay. Next,
Shake it up.
shake it up.
Here we go. There's the timer. Oh, get it?
Oh, get it.
I got it. Hold on. You have to be careful with chemicals in the lab.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday!
Goofball. Okay. Now, the solution will not completely coat the surface of the Petri dish, so you'll have to use 2 drops of liquid soap. So
I'll
go
add
ahead
in
and
the
pour
soap.
the whole bottle in there first.
I'll add in the soap.
Claire, watch what you're doing, please. Squeeze the whole bottle in there. Is that it?
Yep.
Okay, now set that bottle aside. Now be careful and just put 2 drops.
Do they have to squeeze?
Yeah,
Do they have to
did you
open
have
it?
to open it?
Oh, yep. No, no.
Goofball.
No, it's fine.
Claire, let Lily open it. You open the last one. There we go. Okay.
Got a bubble.
Alright. Now,
Okay.
2 drops of soap right in the liquid. 1, 2.
2.
There. See how it's spreading out?
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, set
Now-
that aside.
Place the electrodes in the solution.
I'll get the black one. Which side do we put on here?
Well, first you put the clip on the Petri dish.
Okay, so which side?
So put this side on the Petri dish.
So the biggest side?
Yeah. Claire, put this side in the Petri dish and put it as far away from each one. You want to put it all, yep, good job. You got it? Well, hold on. It's okay, let go. Leave it alone for a second. Leave it alone for a
Leave it
second.
alone.
Let Sissy get hers on.
Oh.
Oh, careful, don't spill it. Okay, let go, Lily. Let go, Lily. Let go, Lily. When I say let go, that means to let go. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
One of you needs to hold on to the dish.
Yep.
I've got it.
Okay, let Claire connect them.
connect them to the wire, not the...
Okay, is that one connected?
Connect that one.
Do you want me to get it? Okay, now let go of the Petri dish.
Next. Okay. Connect the Okay, we already did that. It's
Okay.
starting to form on that side. Oh, yeah. Okay,
Growing?
tin ions It's growing
Oh,
near the
um,
negativity
uh,
charged
Mm-hmm.
electrode will transform into metal tin. The tin will gradually form into long dendrite-shaped crystals throughout the solution. It's growing. From the black side.
That's the negative side.
Yeah. Can we use the magnifying glass thingy, my Bobby?
Hold on. Mommy's recording with the camera.
It's so cool, isn't it? Wow, it's so beautiful. It really does look like a tree.
It shows that it comes from the black one.
Yeah.
Why is there so much shadow?
We hope you guys enjoyed these experiments, and we will see you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yay.
Yay.